Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
It's day 3, I think, of our cruise on the Disney Wish. We were woken up this morning with an announcement in our room direct from the captain. So we'll cut to that now so you know what's going on.
Good morning, everyone. This is Captain Andy speaking from the bridge. Now, as many of you will already have noticed, the weather conditions this morning are very poor, and we are under the influence of Hurricane Ian. Winds off Castaway Cay were gusting to 50 knots, and the seas were 6 to 8 feet in height off of Castaway Cay. We have tried to see if we could hold the ship and subsequently dock in Castaway Cay. However, this has not been successful. The wind and sea conditions combined are simply too strong, and it is unsafe for me to bring the ship alongside today. Additionally, it is important for you all to know that conditions are forecasted to deteriorate around the Castaway Cay area. I do understand this is a disappointment for you all. However, the decision is made with all of your safety and that of the crew and ship in mind. At DCL, safety will always be our number 1 priority. For now, we will head to the southeast of Abaco. We will head out towards the edge of the Atlantic Ocean, where the weather will be best, sea conditions will be substantially less, and the wind conditions will reduce. In this area, I am able to make the ship as comfortable as possible for you and let you enjoy your day on board.
So from that announcement, we're not going to get to go to Castaway Cay today, so that's such a bummer, but we did kind of feel some shaking of them trying to get there this morning. But yeah, I'd rather be safe than be on Castaway, and so I'm sure they're going to make our sea day even more special now. I'm sure there's going to be characters all over.
Oh, yeah.
So you all, you and we will just have to see what we get into today. It was lightning a little bit earlier this morning. The seas are pretty rough, but we'll let's get this day started. You ready? All right, let's go. Okay, I don't like that when we came in the hallway, it's the music of the parents dying in a shipwreck.
Yeah.
Ominous. I don't like that.
That is a little ominous. Especially with everything going on, that just adds to the tension.
Yeah, weird. So since we can't go to Castaway Cay, they're bringing all the characters to the Grand Hall throughout the day, and they have their Castaway Cay clothes on, so we still get to see them in their cute outfits, even though they're not at the beach.
Awesome. Perfect, Kennedy.
Yep.
Awesome. Whenever you're ready. In 3, 2, 1.
Blast off! Whee! Okay, it's the afternoon now. We took the morning really slow and got a bunch of schoolwork done. So hopefully after tomorrow it'll be the last of the schoolwork and we can enjoy our bonus days that we're getting on this cruise. But Jude finished first, so he was off doing some fun stuff with friends. I think he started playing the Uncharted Adventure that we all get to play. So I think we're going to start playing it now.
Yeah.
We're gonna open it up and get started. It is just a trial still right now.
Yeah.
They're working out some bugs, so hopefully everything works out for us. And
We're
able
beta
to do it.
testers.
Yeah.
Put that on the resume.
But also, before we do all that, we wanted to let you know that because of the situation, that Disney is being super cool and giving everyone the basic internet package.
Yes.
So that we can call home and make arrangements. We needed to elongate our pet sitting and elongate our airport parking and get new air flights. Not yet, because we don't know when we're flying back, and all kinds of other stuff. So that's awesome. They're offering it to everybody. You just had to ask for it.
Yeah.
Basically.
I just went to guest services and I said, look, I got a couple of issues here. I need to figure out.
And they said it was complimentary to everyone because of the circumstances.
Yeah, they said every room gets basic surf package.
How's it working?
It's working fine. I'm texting with people.
Yeah, but it's
them know.
just for texting and calls, right?
Texting, calls. I can get on internet, email people that I need to email.
But not social media and all that, right?
No, it'll hit social media.
I know.
as
I
well.
think different levels allow you to do different things. That's what I was asking. So I
Yeah,
don't think
no.
basic has social media level on it.
It may not. I don't
Okay.
know. But I keep getting social media notifications. That's why I.
Oh yeah, I'm getting them too, even though I'm on airplane mode. And I just can't do anything about it. Yeah.
So everybody's getting social
Yeah.
media notifications. Even
So-
though I can't check it.
Yeah.
It's because your phone's
really
freaking
weird.
out because you're not looking at social media.
So let's get started on this. What is it called again?
Uncharted Adventure.
Uncharted Adventure.
Let's do it.
We are on our Disney Cruise Line Navigator app,
Yep.
and it says, "Want to try it?
Join the adventure.
Join the adventure."
Nope. It broke my
Oh
phone.
no, it's doing the adventure. Ooh, this is the loading screen. Loading Spyglass Hub. I think you're going to be able to use your camera to see secret stuff around the ship.
It's gonna be like chasing Pokemon.
Oh yeah, maybe. Push play. Once upon a time, some sailor discovered some things.
Watching their constellations in the sky.
I'm trying to read through a screen on a screen, so
It's a technique we still use to this day navigating our way across the ocean. Wish upon a star. Ahem, wishing upon a star is not how one navigates the seas. Well, maybe not how you do it. Many
Tell
of
him,
us
Minnie.
know that when you wish upon a star, your dreams can come true.
cute.
And when you join our stargazing adventure during your cruise, we'll show you the world. Oh, Mickey, not just the world, the whole universe? Now you're getting the hang of it, Mr. Narrator. But wait, there's
Yeah.
one more to our adventure. More than the universe? Uh-huh. Sign up and you'll receive special delivery, a package from Mickey and me.
Ooh.
One, you'll need for your adventure your very own spyglass. Oh, but not in the mail. It's a virtual package,
Oh.
and it'll arrive on your phone soon. So be on the lookout. But before we deliver your spyglass, we still have lots to do. So get going because we can't wait to see you real soon.
See you real soon. Now you get to create your avatar, right?
Oh, create your Disney me.
Ooh. All right, so now you get to make your own little avatar friend.
Yeah.
You want to be green? You could be an alien.
Hairstyles. Let's see. What color hair do I want?
Green.
Green on green. Why not? Let's see what happens.
Ooh, you're disgusted.
I'm disgusted. All right.
There's your guy. Snaggletooth, green dude, Chewbacca, lightsaber, sunshades.
Yeah.
Looks good. You just push done, I guess?
Add look.
Oh, so
This is me.
you can make all kinds of different ones then. huh?
Yeah, I could be any number of people,
Interesting.
but we'll be this guy for now.
This
So
guy.
done. All set for your adventure. Tap save. All right, here we go.
Here we go. Now we start. What do we do?
Simply tap your spyglass here, and off you go.
Ooh. Start
Ahoy.
your adventure.
Start adventure. You're about to glimpse wonders of the universe heretofore unseen by the human eye.
Ooh.
Magnificent constellations that indicate locations of Disney story worlds. Tilt your spyglass skyward and gaze upon the grandeur of Maui's fishhook, the brilliance of Miguel's guitar,
And then
gracefulness of Peter Pan as he soars past the second star to the right and straight on till morning, all of them leading to and powered by a legendary star that's been making the dreams of Disney characters come true for so many years. Stargazers, I present to you the biggest, brightest star in the universe, the Wishing Star. Make a wish, everyone.
wishes do come true. Uh-oh. I think you broke
Well.
it. You didn't wish something good, did you?
I guess I did. What just happened? Oh dear. It seems that powerful dark forces are after the magic of the Wishing Star. The star has split its power into pieces to make sure those dark forces can't get their hands on it. You must now find all those pieces before they do. And restore the Wishing Star.
We'll do it.
Gee, thanks, Mr. Narrator, but how do we do that? I know, with a little help from our friends, of course.
Get by with a little help.
Hey, that's you, Stargazers. It looks like a piece of the star's magic has fallen into each story world. So all you have to do is go to the story worlds and find the pieces.
Done.
Gosh, that should be easy enough. It'll take courage, skill, and heart, but I know you can do it.
So do you think you have heart and skill and all that stuff they said it required? requires of you?
Sure. Why not?
Why not? What are we supposed to do?
So, I don't know what we're doing.
Click the Peter Pan word. See if that
Okay.
does something. Oh yeah. Join the quest. So yeah, you can be up on teams. Like if I wasn't filming this with my phone, I could be on a team with you. We could do this together. But I'm making you do all the work.
I am the narrator after all.
Yeah.
A piece of the Wishing Star's magic seems to have landed near London. We'll be arriving there shortly. Would you investigate for us?
Yeah.
Just head down to the location shown on your spyglass. Deck 4, Luna, port side.
We're on deck 5, so we just need to go down 1.
Okay,
All right.
let's go.
Oh, that's cool. It gives you like a map. Does it say where we are?
No,
No, it just tries to help you a little bit.
I think this is a grand hall here. I think we're over on this side, up a level.
Yeah.
So we just go down.
Yeah, we just go down a level to the other side.
Yep.
Easy peasy, lemon apple. So we made it where we're supposed to go, but someone's already playing, so we gotta wait our turn.
Yeah.
What are the odds?
It looks like they're having fun.
So we've made it outside Luna Lounge on the port side. And it is important you're on the right side because there's a whole nother situation going on the starboard side, I think. What do? You scan that with your spyglass. Oh, you gotta be good on it. Load.
All right.
This is cool. We were wondering earlier, because Vibe and Edge has all the video games. These are our video games.
Well, I know the best one in the night sky.
So
like,
look
look
at
at
the
the
screen.
Start to right.
Okay.
Get there. All it takes is faith, trust, and pixie dust. Come on, I'll show you.
Okay.
Here we go.
He's flying over London. Don't hit the cloud, don't hit the cloud. Ah! Not the cloud, not the cloud. You're doing good. Yeah, you want to get those big stars. You can hit boost it again, I think. Boost, 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 boost. Ooh, look at the boost. Oh no. What are the birds about?
Ah, it's like Sonic the Hedgehog. Ah.
When you're dying, you start blinking. You did it.
Look, we made it to Neverland.
That was a long flight.
Through practice, you'll fly just as good as me. Ha! Isn't that right, Tink?
I think he's telling me I'm no good at
Wait a minute.
Need practice.
Where's Tink?
Uh-oh.
Tink!
gotta go
Tinkerbell! Huh?
She's
I wonder where
lost.
she went. Come on, let's go look for her.
Probably trying to kill a windy bird.
windy dress is what I got.
You earned something?
Uh-oh, here comes Captain Cook.
I think we know where Tink is now. He's got a piece of the star, Captain Hook does. The wishing star. Constellation thingy. Oh, she's coming to tell us.
I've received reports of something sparkly that flew in through a porthole. Seems to be stuck in a lantern. Would you take a look for me? Just look at the location shown on your spyglass.
At Hook's Barbary.
Deck 4, window of Hook's Barbary.
We just
Alright.
need to go forward. I bet Tinkerbell's in there.
Maybe. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay,
This
so
way. All right, we're here. This is Hook's Barbary. So I'm guessing you're going to play something right here.
all right.
What does it do?
Focus on the lanterns in the window.
Okay.
Begin.
Oh, you knocked that one out, right?
All right,
So
I'm
you're
gonna
gonna
do the
do-
middle one next.
Okay. Oh. So maybe she's in this one? Oh, put it all out. I guess she got out. That's what all that spinning and
Yeah, you were
sparkly
trying
thing.
to unlock her.
Oh, on the screen?
Yeah.
I missed that part.
So, Tink says that old codfish Hook has a shiny new treasure. Oh, but I need to get my shadow back before I can go treasure hunting. So there's something shiny going on, so
Okay.
I gotta say,
I've arrived.
I've arrived. All set. Scan the artwork. Oh, there's a shadow.
Peter Pan's in it. Well, Peter Pan's shadow.
Doesn't see like light, so if you see it, try flashing it with something bright. Then I can grab it while it's distracted.
Okay, you gotta help him catch it then, huh? He's fast. Oh. He doesn't like you poking him like that.
Where is he?
Oh, there he is.
Oh.
Ah!
It's fast.
Ah, get him. You even waited a second. You're too you're too slow.
You're slippery. Oh, there you go. Oh. I finally got it after like 8 minutes. I had 22 seconds remaining.
Oh my gosh. You're timed?
Yeah, you're timed apparently. And I'm almost to level 2.
All right, now we just
so-
need to go to the next thing. Ooh, that gave you a lot of points.
And I get a
hat.
Peter Pan hat.
That's cool.
I'll put that with my Tink wings on my Chewbacca outfit.
You're gonna be looking fly. Now we got to go to Vibe on deck 12.
Looks like a piece of wishing star might be on that pirate ship. I know you're brave enough to recover it. Please go to the location on your spyglass.
All right, we made it to the Vibe. We're gonna do something here. You gotta scan the thing. The wishing star emblem. Ooh. You gonna play a game again?
Means another video game.
Oh, Captain Hook.
Look at the screen.
Would you look at that, sweetie? Peter Pan and his motley crew are here to lay claim to our new treasure.
All right, sorry, the camera malfunctioned and I missed all the game playing, but you did some things and you got,
I got the piece of
the wishing star that goes to
Peter
or
Pan.
the constellation. I don't know
Yeah.
if it's wishing star or not. It goes to Peter Pan. So good
So,
job, stellar.
I'll hit next.
Okay.
See what happens. And when it went in, like the piece of the wishing star went into my phone and took off. It
Oh,
was
that's
kinda
cool.
So
Maybe I'll catch the next one.
plundering the pirates. Your performance was excellent.
Yeah,
Ooh, I get a Captain Hook hat now?
that's dope.
You're doing such a marvelous job collecting pieces of wishing magic. It would be wonderful if you could check in with Mickey and me. Just head to the location shown on your spyglass. We'll check in with,
That's close to our
Mickey?
room.
yeah,
Deck 6, Cinderella coach art.
yeah, we'll go check that out.
Yeah. All right, we made it to this painting that they wanted us to go to.
All
So
right,
go
so I'm
ahead.
gonna check in. Look at the screen.
What's going on?
I love this art.
Landed on the ship, and I'm trying to find it. Ooh, can I help? You sure can. According to my calculations, it should be right here in this area. How dare you?
Right?
No. Mickey, are you okay?
Don't worry about me. I'm just trying to scratch an itch on my back.
Are you sure?
Yep. It's no problem. Let's keep looking.
Oh,
Now where was I? Let's see. Following the trajectory.
Maybe this'll help.
what? A doofus.
Magic should be right here. You're not using a piece of the star's magic to scratch your back, are you? Oh, that Mickey Mouse.
Is that all this was? Just a story
Yeah,
piece?
we're just checking in.
So it's just the one piece, huh?
Yeah.
And then you have Moana, Crush, and I'm guessing that's Tiana.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's kind of like the Triforce in Zelda. You go to the various.
Places and get all the pieces
Yeah.
to... Okay. You having fun?
cool.
It's cool. I
Yeah,
like
it's
it
cool.
so far. It's working pretty good, too.
Yeah. It's neat. I love all the interactive stuff that you do with some architecture.
Yeah, it's really neat.
Yeah.
So with that Uncharted Adventure, you can just pick each thing to play, and we're probably gonna play another piece later, and then you get all of it done together. But I think there's like a meetup with everyone that played it to like battle the bad guy at the end, so that'll be fun. But we got the kids, and it's hot out, and the sun's out because we went far enough into the ocean that it's not stormy anymore. We're about to go to the pool, so we're gonna get the GoPro on, and we're gonna take you guys on the Aqua Mouse.
Yes.
And I don't know if
Swiss
Slidus-
meltdown again today.
I don't know if Slidosaurus Rex can be filmed, but we'll try to do that too and show you all the pools and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. You ready to go to the pool?
Yes. Let's do
it's
this.
so hot. We made it to the pool. We got a spot. We're gonna go on the Aqua Mouse.
Yeah.
You ready? You ready to ride Aqua Mouse? Yeah, me too. So we're gonna vlog the slides first, and then we'll show you like all the pools. Yeah. All right, I think Kennedy is tall enough. Let's see. You tall enough? Yeah, you can ride alone if you needed to. So I think this is to ride with a buddy and to ride alone.
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the family pool deck, and this is so unlike any of the other ships. There are so many pools here, which is nice, because as we all know, if someone goes potty in the pool, they have to drain the whole thing. So that still leaves other pools to go into. So right in front of the Funnel Vision, you have a pool which closes up for the show, and then you have this pool here. This is Minnie's pool, and then Daisy's pool, Pluto's pool, Donald's pool, and Goofy's pool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pools out here. So nice. As you can see over there, Daisy's pool, somebody made a mess in there, so now they're cleaning it up. But there are plenty of other pools to hang out in, so super nice. I really want to get in this guy in Pluto's pool, because look at that waterfall right there where the seats are, and it wets your back. That sounds like a great time. And there are no kids in there right now, so we might get that once we get our drinks. We found our favorite spot on deck 12 where we can see everybody, but also be a little private, and we can see the Funnel Vision. And since we can't be in Castaway Cay today, we got a Castaway Cay drink from the bartender. You
Very
know
good.
it. You'll love it. It's a Con Cooler.
Pineapple, passion fruit, little coconut,
Where's my Chariot?
a lot of rum. He forgot the cherry.
It's still good.
Yeah. Cheers.
Anyways, cheers. We rode the Aqua Mouse. It's so fun.
Yeah.
And I don't know if it's because us two riding together made it like a heavy boat or whatever, but we were flying out of that thing. Coming
It's
off
fun.
the rails and everything. Bumper boating into people.
We knocked the kids sideways on the track. It was
So
great.
yeah, it was great fun. I know there's been a lot of negative stuff on it on the internet, but it's great. I don't know what the issue is.
I just gotta say, if you don't like the Aqua Mouse, you're wrong.
I will say, like, when I first saw it on YouTube, like before I got to experience it, it's not what I pictured or imagined based on the art, but like the concept art, but it's way better than it looks. Like you have to experience it yourself.
Yeah.
Don't take anyone's word for it. You write it, you make your own decision.
It's so
but
fun.
for us, we thought it was great fun.
Yeah.
A great way to cool down and
Yeah,
have a
and you
thrill.
will, and you'll get really wet, and it's everything you want in a water slide.
Yeah, it's real fun. So while we were swimming, we got an announcement from Captain Andy with some more information. Today has been a whirlwind of information. Like
Yeah.
every few hours, there's something new to find out. They've been talking back and forth, I guess, on when it's safe to come back into Port Canaveral. And they have decided that Sunday morning is when they're gonna shoot their shot for us to all like get our airline stuff situated. He said that will give us a chance to try and dock in Castaway Cay again on Saturday. So we might not have to miss out on Castaway Cay altogether,
It's
which
exciting.
will be exciting. I doubt we'll get to do our parasailing because of the wind, but I will be happy just to get off the ship there, especially after being on for
the
like
ship for 4 days.
4 days, yeah, because we didn't get off at Nassau. Our 4-night has turned into a 6-night. So,
It's where you make your money back.
I know, but now like the cruise after us had to get canceled, and I just
True.
feel really bad for those people. So, it's a gamble for sure.
Yeah. Travel
but yeah.
insurance is important.
But you have to sail during hurricane season if you want to do it on Halloween on high seas.
Yep.
So it's definitely a gamble you have to take unless you're sailing out of the West Coast on the Wonder during this time, because not as many hurricanes going on that side. Well, that's our update. We're gonna swim a little more, and then we're gonna go to dinner.
Yep.
Drink of the day on day 3, the
Yeah.
Stingray. It is
good.
Captain Morgan Spice Rum, pineapple juice, melon liqueur, and cranberry juice. Better than yesterday's.
Yeah, way better.
Oh, it's a hurricane on the high seas. We are sailing along, and also we are stuck in a hurricane, so we have a good song. We're stuck on this cruise ship for another 2 days. After the 4th day, which was gonna be the last one, we are stuck on board, and we have 2 more days at sea before Castaway Cay.
On the Disney Wish, they have the 2 pirate shows. There's the Mickey and Minnie's Pirates in the Caribbean, and then later in the night, there's the Parlay Partay. So I think it's the Rockin' Parlay Party, but I'm gonna call it Parlay Partay because
so much better.
clearly that's what they were going for. I think. But if I was an Imagineer, that's what I'd be going for.
I found a head.
Somebody needs a nap. Oh yeah, Pirates in the Caribbean. Are you ready to party? Yeah, you got the fries, roadie fries. They're really good.
They're underrated.
Yeah, I think they're better than the chicken tenders. Don't tell anybody.
I was about to say that. The fries will change your life. Chicken tenders are good, but the fries are where it's at.
awesome. What a way to be greeted to dinner. So we're in Marvel again for Pirate Night. I thought they would have pirate art out. Nope, Marvel art. But there's no show tonight, so. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look. The PIM particle thingies, the quantum core is not on the table.
They're gone.
They're gone. How will we know what our table number is?
I already know.
They have paper replacements. Alright, back at the room. Ooh, It's the same thing it is every pirate night. Some octopus pirate thingy with sunglasses that I never know what it is.
You
It
know,
looks like a Jamaican man.
Looks like Groot to me.
Oh yeah, look at his mouth. This one's way better than the last one we had.
Val is very talented.
She's very good at it. And then we got our gold doubloons full of chocolate. You like these, don't you?
I'll have one before.
You're like, I'll have one now. Well, enjoy that.
I don't like-
A quick shout out to our amazing room hostess.
Yeah.
She tied up our chargers
Yeah. Wrap the
so
cords.
they're not like in the way.
Yeah,
She's
because
so awesome.
we're Nintendo not people, and we just leave cords flailed about.
Yeah. We ready to watch a movie? Yep, we're about to watch a movie and we're gonna go to bed. So let's wrap this vlog up. What a day. This has been such a weird vlog. I'm not even sure what to title this thing. I was gonna be like, we don't get to go to Castaway Cay. And then I was gonna title it, Pirate Night. Or Aquamouse that we rode. Or we might get to go to Castaway Cay now. Like I did. Or
Good news,
Yeah.
bad news, good news, bad news.
now we have a 6 night, 4 to 6 night. So, yeah. Okay, so this wraps up whatever this vlog is called. We did the Uncharted Adventures today too. Like,
We did all the things.
so yeah.
Got all the news.
Well, if you're watching this, you know what it's titled, and you clicked on it for one way or another, or one reason or another. But we hope you enjoyed the video, and you made it this far. Go ahead and subscribe so you can see more of our videos.
That's
So we
pretty fun.
have more days of cruising coming, and we honestly have no idea what's going on. So it's very like the most unorganized trip, like mentally for us, because we don't know what to do and we have to go with the flow. But Disney has been so amazing at communicating with us that we're not worried about it.
It's all good.
Yeah. We do hate to see what is happening in Florida though.
It looks like it's getting thrashed right now.
Yeah. We are going to go ahead and go to bed because I don't think we've gone to bed earlier than 1 a.m. this whole time. So we're going to try to make it before midnight.
Yep.
We're going to curl up, watch whatever movie Kennedy picks, and
Yep.
hope Jude doesn't wake us up when he gets back because he's still not here.
It's gonna get home drunk and disorderly. It's gonna be a whole thing.
It's preparing us for those days
Yeah.
when he stumbles in at whatever time. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. And remember, a Disney cruise is your cruise.
Bye.
Bye.